Alright, so some more preparation I got for the upcoming hunting season. I already cleaned the 2 shotguns I'm going to use for the season. And I'm going to clean this old one here. This is kind of one I keep. And it's an old double barrel Savage Arms double barrel 20 gauge, and it's got a lot of memories to it. This house I live in here was my grandfather's place years ago, so I kind of grew up around here with my grandparents. I spent a lot of time with my grandparents. And his hunting club, they'd have just raffles every so often, and one of the things they were raffling off was this shotgun. And believe it or not, my next door neighbor, well, he passed away, Mr. Henniger, but my grandfather's next door neighbor, he had went down there with them through there. They always had like a cooked thing, a fish fry every fall to raise money. And part of the thing was a raffle for this. Well, Mr. Henniger won this gun. Well, anyway, my grandfather had passed away some number of years ago. Before Mr. Henniger passed away and went away, he gave this shotgun to my mother. He said, "Nick, I want you to have this. You know, I don't have no need for it no more, and I want you to have it." And he explained how he had won it and all that, and I remember back when that all happened. But anyway, my grandfather had left it to Mom, but when Mom passed away, she left it to me. So it's got a lot of memories and meanings and stuff behind it, and it's a nice little double barrel shotgun. And I usually keep this, I know I'm not supposed to have everything locked up, but I keep this in a closet, loaded up with a couple buckshot. Somebody comes messing around in the house, I've got me a shotgun. A shotgun is one of the biggest deterrents you can have for self-protection. But anyway, I'm gonna clean it up. Got me a Boresnake here that I was gonna pull out and use on it, and wipe down the outside. I don't know if I've used this Boresnake yet. I believe this is a new one. I believe I just used a rod on it last time. I may be wrong. But anyway, I like using this air coil stuff here. So I'll take this rag and lay it here so I don't get stuff all over my mat. I like this air coil stuff. It's really good. It even says on there for guns and all, so it's very good for guns. So I'm gonna spray that all over that and around this part. But then the final part, I'll use oil to pull through the final part of it. Squirt some oil on this part on the very end that finally comes through. So got it all lubed up. I'm gonna pull it through the barrels and see what we can do with it here. So these Boresnakes are really nice. So all you really do is drop this little weight down through the barrel. There it is. Just pull it through. Really basically one pass will pretty much do it. So yeah, that one looks nice and clean. Drop through the other barrel. I might spray a little bit more of this air coil on the end of it there, but you get the idea. So, yeah. Pull things through there like that. Down through the barrel now. It looks pretty clean. I'm going to drop it through this one more time right here. Do both of them. All it really takes for that thing is a couple passes. So. You can kind of stick that thing in there like that if you want. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments and saying, oh, you're not doing something right. But, no, so be it. This ain't a perfect world. But this sure does make it cleaning it easier than the old rods and stuff. I mean, I got the old type gun cleaning kits, but this sure does make it easy. So now perhaps I might spray a little bit of Kroll on this and wipe down the outside of the barrel. And take a little oil and lubricate some of the moving parts here in a minute. But yeah, I'll about do it. So I'll lay this down here and I'll take a little bit of oil and lubricate some of this, the hinge back. I'm sure people are going to say, oh, you're doing that all wrong. It'll be alright. Trust me. Spread a little bit of this up in there. Just a little bit. So anyway, I'll work that all in. Got it pretty clean. So I'm cleaning up a couple guns. I've done cleaning two I'm going to hunt with this year, but I'm thinking I might as well go ahead and clean up some of these other ones. I always do this kind of stuff in the fall. There you have it. A Savage 20 gauge double barrel. It sure is a beautiful gun. I kind of like it, and like I say, it's got a lot of memories to it and all. So there you have it. Cleaned up my gun.